Zone decoder if the question says head to toe, think cephalocaudal principle. If the question says center outward, think proximodistal principle. If the question says large muscles, think gross motor skills. If the question says small muscles, think fine motor skills. If the question says object permanence, think Piaget sensorimotor stage. If the question says exploration, crawling or walking, think motor development supports cognition. Development too shortly. Do not say babies cannot learn or remember. Do not confuse reflexive movement with goal-directed movement. Scenario decoder. A baby controls the head before the legs. That is cephalocaudal. A baby controls arms before fingers. That is proximodistal development. A baby searches for a hidden toy that shows object permanence. A baby explores more after crawling begins. Motor development just supporting cognitive development. A baby begins to use sounds and gestures to communicate. That is early language development. Infancy lasts until about 2 years. Infancy involves rapid physical and cognitive change. Physical development includes body growth, brain development, motor skills, and perception. The cephalocaudal principle means development moves from head to lower body. The proximodistal principle means development moves from the center outward. Gross motor skills involve large body movements. Fine motor skills involve small muscle control. Motor development supports exploration. The infant brain grows rapidly. Synapse formation and pruning shape brain development. Myelination improves information processing. Perceptual development helps infants understand the world. Piaget sensorimotor stage occurs during infancy. Infants learn through senses and actions. Object permanence means understanding that objects continue to exist when unseen. Infant cognition includes attention, memory, imitation, and problem solving. Language begins before full word. Crying, babbling, gestures, and early words support communication. Be careful of answers that make infant development sound passive. Be careful of answers that ignore brain development. Be careful of answers that confuse motor milestones with intelligence. Infants learn through the body, brain, senses, movement, exploration, and early communication.